Here's a glimpse into the future. The Tag Wizard will be released later this year in the 2025.1 version of the PowerPack for Plant 3D. The idea of a Tag Wizard is if we've copied drawings from another project and we want to reuse them, but maybe the tags are not the way that we want them, we can launch the Tag Wizard and we can select all the tags inside of here, from the PNIDs to the Plant 3D drawings. In there I'm just going to use the PNIDs just for speed, and we can open up all the tags that are in our PNIDs, and then we can filter them. We can filter them by the equipment, so we can look at this as the pumps, etc. If we look at the pumps here, you can see that the pumps actually have a Q prefix. I might not want that. I might want these to actually have a P, so I can actually run a find and replace, and we've got the ability here to very quickly set in here. I want all my Qs to become Ps. I can replace one at a time, so therefore I can verify each one. I can click replace all. Click to replace all, and you see they've gone green. This is because I've now resolved the tag name, and I know that I've updated them. I've got one here which I'm not quite happy with, and what we can do is I can still come in and we can click the little pencil just next to it here for this one that's got the A, and we can change that to whichever value we want. If we realise we've overwritten a value that we don't want to overwrite, for instance here, we can click the undo button and it will revert it back. Once we've done that, let's apply. A little warning just because it can take a bit of time depending on how many tags it needs to update. It will update them. Once we close it, we can see now that our tags have actually been updated in our PNID as well. What we can also do, which is quite useful within the Tag Wizard, is we can actually save the state. So for instance, when we first launched it, if we want to save a state, we can save that out. We can do what we want. If we want to revert it back, we can simply do a load, so therefore there's no chance of us making mistakes.